goal with this activity is to really work on your lower body power. You're gonna loosen up your hips as well. Here's what you're gonna do. You wanna get a water bag, and you're gonna grip the long handles or the horizontal handles like so. You're gonna be on a ramp, and what you wanna start with is a clean. And so the way you're gonna do that is you're gonna let the knees soften. You wanna push your hips back. You're gonna triple extend, get a slight jump in the air, and as you do that, the water bag is gonna roll up and get it in catch position like this. So I'm here for that. So I'm kind of lifting it up, getting underneath it. Now, as you do that, I want you to fall down into a full squat position. So it's here. I'm going to get the hips back a little bit, get my triple extension, drop all the way down. The water bag actually helps me get down a little bit, but then I got to stabilize because of the water. So it's here, get underneath, back down. Just like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.